nina siri naye Yesu, yanifanya niwe jasiri. Kwa amani nayo dhiki, yanifanya niwe jasiri. Yaniburudisha nikirukaruka, Hosana amen. Yaniburudisha nikirukaruka, Hosana amen. Nina siri naye Yesu, yanifanya niwe jasiri. Kwa amani nayo dhiki, yanifanya niwe jasiri. Yaniburudisha nikirukaruka, Hosana amen. I want to say thank you Kenya, for the love and support. I'm here with my team, and we love how you support people of God. We have been receiving your messages, and you called and we answered, and now we are here, and we are ready to have an amazing moment with you. We already love it here. Kenya is huge, it's nice, and people are so loving, people are so happy. And thank you all the media teams, because this is really amazing. Thank you for honoring this. And thank you for Africa Worship Experience. There are some guys that I'm not seeing here, but there may be somewhere behind the scene. They've been having discussion, so many discussions with my team back home, and it took really strength for us to be here. And I want to say thank you. Thanks to them, because they did their best. They've tried, and I honor them and I respect them for this. Thank you for allowing God to use you guys, and I'm here because of God and because of you. Thank you, my brother. I have met a friend in him for sure, because he's so cool, and I love the vibe here. God bless you. I will see you on Saturday, and yeah. In Kinyarwanda. Oh, in Kinyarwanda. Ndabashimiye cyane. Do you guys have like a lot of media around here? Wow, that's amazing. Ndabashimiye cyane. Kandi ntumiye n'abantu biwacu bose bo mu Rwanda, abanyamurenge, abarundi, muzaze kuwa gatandatu dutarame. Zaba ari umwanya mwiza udasanzwe. Mwakoze no kuza kugira ngo nabo tubagezeho ayo makuru, and icyo Imana yabahamagariye gukora mu gikore neza mu muzuro, kandi ikibaheremo umugisha. Nabyishimiye kubabona mwaje, murakoze cyane. Thank you. Okay. We do the a cappella.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where are the singers? You guys should come and we do this together.
Where's Joki and Anik come and
Just say on the mic.
Eh?
Bire. Bire and Joki, Liz Korir, please come over.
Mine is only beige.
Yes, we sing it. Nina siri naye Yesu, yanifanya niwe jasiri. Kwa amani nayo dhiki, yanifanya niwe jasiri. Yaniburudisha, nikirukaruka, Hosana amen. Yaniburudisha, nikirukaruka, Hosana amen. Nina siri naye Yesu, yanifanya niwe jasiri. Kwa amani nayo dhiki, yanifanya niwe jasiri. Yaniburudisha, nikirukaruka,